All right. If you find yourself with an upper respiratory tract infection, a nagging little cough that just won't go away, you can try some acupressure. So the first one you're going to want to find is lung 5, also called Marcia the Crook. And you find the tendons of the bicep right at the elbow crease and just roll into that depression right to the outside, so on the thumb side. And just massage here. And as with everything in acupuncture, you want to do it bilaterally, both sides. Try to breathe with your belly. If it makes you cough, that's actually a good thing. Don't worry about that. So you get these two here, lung 5, and now you're going to move up to lung 2 and lung 1. So these are found on the border of the deltoid, which is that shoulder muscle, and the pec minor, which is the outside muscle of the chest. So you go up to the divot created by your collarbone and just go right along that border between the shoulder and the chest. You're going to go about halfway down and you'll feel a tender spot. This is lung 1. So just going to massage here. I'm just using my middle finger right in there. And then I move up to that depression right at the base of the collarbone. So right here, where the collarbone meets the deltoid, and that's lung 2. So just go back and forth in this line. Again, big breaths with the belly. Then you can move down the bicep back to lung 5. Then you can move down the outside of the hand to that meaty part of the thumb. And this is especially good, this one right here, this meaty part of the thumb right in the middle. If you feel like your throat is really hot with the cough, that's what you want to get. So again, lung 1, right at that depression of the deltoid and the pec. Lung 2, a little bit higher. Nice deep breathing, and then slide down back to lung 5. And then work along that upper ridge, or the thumb side ridge, just on the inside of that, up to the meaty part of the hand here. All right, good luck, enjoy.